Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Acura MDX Touring. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 164,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, DVD player, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, OnStar, Bluetooth, and power windows.